Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome back to day 16 of the AeroGarden update. We've been doing updates, if you've been following along, right from the very beginning where we've unboxed it, set everything up. Day 16, everything sprouted, if you've been following along, except for the mint. So, spoiler alert for this video, still no mint. I think I've written off the mint, so we'll still keep an eye on it. We'll check up on it, but I think we're safe to say we're not going to have any mint on this one. So we'll have to definitely, if it doesn't sprout in the next maybe 10 days, we'll call in to get it replacement sent because it's guaranteed. So for today's update, we'll show you the herbs. Yesterday, if you didn't catch yesterday's video, I will link it at the end of this one. We did the fertilization of it again because it was the day every 15 days, and so we did that. So you can check up on that one if we didn't. And that's it for that. So let's get into the AeroGarden. But before we do, I just want to invite everybody, if you're watching this on this channel, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, but also hit the notification bell, because normally what we do, we do the AeroGarden update videos every day as we're growing herbs for recipes which are coming up. So on this channel, normally I'm cooking recipes. We're doing live streams Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we'll be using these herbs to grow on an upcoming live stream. So it'd be great to have you come along. You can leave a comment during the live stream, ask questions, join everybody that comes along and watches. It's a lot of fun, and we cook a meal in generally about an hour. So for today, being Wednesday, we are doing things, well, we're doing something a little bit different. We're not cooking a full dinner, but I started off yesterday on the channel. I did the beginnings of a focaccia bread recipe. So you can check out part 1 of that on my channel, where we're getting everything ready to go for baking it tonight on the live stream. So it's been proofing overnight in the fridge. Super easy recipe to try. So if you want to try it out, you can try it on your own. All the directions and ingredients are in that video. But if you wanted to come back tonight to see it actually get cooked and the final step of that recipe, by all means, come on back and come say hi. So let's get into the AeroGarden, and we will show you where we are at on day 16. All right, here we go. So we are on day 15 of days planted. So this is the 16th video update. We've been planted for 15 full days. The first day, obviously day 0. And we have to feed with the liquid plant food every 14 days, so every 2 weeks. And we did that yesterday, and now we're counting down to day 13. So we're still getting some good action on the dill. I think every day we look at this, and if you look back at some of the past few days videos, this dill is growing like a weed. So I think we're going to be using a dill in a recipe first, definitely. And then we're pretty tied here with the 2 basil. So this one right here is Thai basil, and that's coming along quite nicely. Got quite a few sprouts coming up there now, which is great. So we'll have some basil recipes. We'll probably do maybe a Thai curry or something with that. I think that would be good for the Thai basil. And in the back here, Genovese basil. So this we'll do maybe we'll get a nice Italian recipe going for that. So there's lots of sprouts coming up for that. That's nice, and I think that one's going to be good. We'll get maybe a nice pasta dish or something together for that. And let's go in here. Curly parsley, just a little bit in there. I don't know if you can always see it in the light. I have to kind of move it, but there's 1, 2, there's like 3 sprouts in there. So those will be poking up probably in about a week, I would say. They're slow growing. And then the thyme is the last one. We've got the thyme growing there. It's coming up slow too, but it's there, taking its time. And this one here, last one, mint, not doing anything. Mint is going to be a dud, I think. But we'll keep it going. The warranty is for 30 days. If it doesn't sprout within 30 days, we can call in for a replacement. So we'll see what happens. And that is day 15 growing of the AeroGarden. All right, there we go. Thanks for coming by for the update. It's always kind of fun to see in the morning when we check this. At night, what I've started to do is, because it is so bright, I did the video on the brightness. I still have to probably move this into, I think, another room, which is a bit closed off, but it's in the kitchen where it's quite open here. And at nighttime, I cover it up with a towel because it doesn't go off until 11. So if we're trying to watch something on TV or on your phone, it's so super bright once it gets dark. So started covering it up at night, and then it goes off at 11. But probably get it moved eventually once everything kind of comes up more and we start harvesting. We'll get it in a more permanent place. So thanks for joining me on today's update. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It always helps the channel. If you find it useful, hit the thumbs up button. It's always appreciated. It lets me know you like these videos. And if you have comments or questions about the AeroGarden, let me know down below. We've had a few comments from people saying that their mint didn't sprout either. Do you have anything, if you've been growing an AeroGarden and you haven't had any success with a certain seed, let me know. Let me know if it's been mint or what. It'd be kind of interesting to see what everybody else's successes and their failures are. So until next time, I will link at the end of this video the update from yesterday where you can see the feeding. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next live stream. Take care, everybody.